Hi friends. Last month I have done a video on stocks which fell more than 50% from its last 1 year peak. One of the stock was Ineos, which did extremely well in last few weeks and still doing good and like also declared a very good dividend. So all these stocks which I'm giving is purely for information and for your analysis, and like if you want to invest, then it will be based on your own analysis or like some of your financial advisors advice. Okay, so let us look into three stocks today. The first one is Ramco Industries. It's not Ramco Cements, it is Ramco Industries, which are into building materials. Okay, if you look at the financial ratios, PE, PB, EV, PYS all looks very good. Then book value is increasing for the last 4 years, 4 5 years constantly. That is very good. Then if you look at the return ratios, not great. I wouldn't say like even okay, but comparatively like they are improving, but it's not a big improvement. It's okay. Net profit margin, operating margin, and gross profit margin looks good. It's in this range only. There's not a drastic change or like improvement. When you look at liquid ratios, quick ratio is less than 1, but not much concerned as their debt to equity is like pretty less, and interest coverage ratio is also very nice. So overall, like if you look into fundamentals, I would say like fundamentals are good. It's not very good, near to very good, in between good and very good. So one more thing, all these three stocks I may be biased because I have investments in this. So like that's why I'm tracking these stocks continuously. So yeah, definitely like you should do your own reviews. Then next one is Venus Remedies. They are into pharmaceuticals. If you one more thing I just forgot to mention is like you can see that it's in a trend. This trend is like it's making lower lows and it's in a downtrend. One more thing, if you see, it's in a channel. It's stuck in a channel, and like whenever it is hitting the bottom line of this channel, it is giving a spike. Again, it is coming down. Again, it is moving up. So this channel is getting narrowed down. Let's see whether it breaks out. This green line which I have made here is for the next entry. Okay, Venus Remedies, as I already told, it's into pharmaceuticals, and if you look into the financial ratios, and when we go to the valuation ratios, it is similar to the one we have seen for Ramco Industries. Okay, per share ratios also, book value is also increasing from last 3 years, and then debt to equity is nearly nothing. Liquid ratios are very good. Return on net worth not great. Margin ratios are okay. So this is also again in between good to very good. That's what I would say as per my analysis, my limited knowledge. You need to learn about fundamental analysis and do your own fundamental analysis if you are buying it. Yeah. The next one is Surya Roshni. This is also like you can see it was in a not in channels, a triangular pattern was there, and there was a pattern breakout. Then there was a considerable rally. Even if you cannot understand this, somewhere around 20% rally was there once this pattern was broken. So the stock is good, and if you look into the financials, okay, if you look at the valuation ratio, still like nearly same as of what we have seen in the other companies. And if you look at the per share ratios here also, the book value is increasing constantly. So looks good, right? Margin ratios are not great. Return ratios are better. It's not bad, 13.24 and 19.47. And then liquid ratios, okay. Leverage ratios are also fine. So there is nothing to worry in this counter as per my limited knowledge. You need to you do your own analysis for all these three stocks, in which I believe like there is a potential to grow in future considerably. Ramco Industries, I am accumulating like considering that it can become a potential multi-bagger. Multi-bagger is not like 10x, 20x what I'm speaking about. Maybe 2x, 3x returns in next 5 years is what I'm expecting, even in Venus Remedies. Surya Roshni you can see that like there was a very good rally, and now I'm not expecting this kind of a rally in 1 or 2 years. However, like in this also, I'm expecting at least 2x return in coming 3 to 4 years. Let's see. These are my targets in mind. As in, like you can never say in a long-term investment in 3 years the target will come, or in 4 years this target will come. These are definitely for like medium to long-term investment. Yeah. Anyways, you can do your own analysis and you can make your own decisions. This is just for information. Thank you, friends.